is Money Monday, and today we've got you covered from all angles. We've got some clever and completely legal moves that just might sound too good to be true, but are actually lawful financial maneuvers.
Yeah, and here to help us navigate those ins and outs, please welcome financial expert, New York Times bestselling author, and host of the award-winning daily financial advice podcast, Money Rehab, Nicole Lapin.
One of my favorites. Hey, Nicole.
Quite the intro. Welcome.
Good to see you,
yeah.
friend.
Always good to see you.
And we are excited for this advice. So, Nicole, we hear a lot about Roth IRAs, but not everybody qualifies. You have to be at a certain threshold. So what do you do if you don't qualify?
So the threshold is $161,000 if you're single and $240,000 if you're married. If you make less than that, then awesome. All you have to do is open up a Roth IRA on your brokerage. One step, easy peasy. If you make more than that, first of all, yay, you.
You're doing well.
That's awesome.
You're doing great, sweetie.
Second of all, you can get in through the back door, even though you couldn't get in through the front door. It's been dubbed the backdoor Roth IRA, and basically you open up a traditional IRA and then immediately convert that over into a Roth.
But
when
you
it
do
comes
have,
to,
you do have to paper that correctly, though. You have
For
to be
sure.
really vigilant on that.
Absolutely. You get a form from the IRS. It's the 8606 form. You should get it automatically. If you don't, make sure you get it. But this is such a common money move that it's for sure legal. It's all over the IRS website. Don't worry, I got you.
all right, when it comes to selling our assets and maximizing our returns.
So if you sell an investment and you earn a profit, also, that is amazing, but you're going to pay taxes. So either you could pay a lot of taxes or you could pay less taxes. Which one do you want to?
Less,
right. So the way to pay less taxes is to hold on to that investment for more than a year. Then you're going to pay long-term capital gains taxes, and that is 20% for the highest earners, all the way down to 0%. If you sell on day 365 or sooner, you are going to pay short-term capital gains taxes, and that's ordinary income. So the same amount of tax that you're paying for your paycheck, you're going to pay that. That's up to 37%. That's just federal taxes. So if you live in a state like New York, that's going to be a lot of money. Let's say you have $10,000 as a profit. If you hold it on for more than a year, then you'll have $8,000 at the end of the day. If you hold on to it for less than a year, then you're going to get only $5,000. $5,000 is a lot of money, but it's not $8,000.
Yeah, that's a huge
not at
delta.
all.
So
That is.
finally, you have a great way to safeguard all of your assets. You say put it in an irrevocable trust. Explain this for us.
You don't have to be a trust fund baby to use a trust
have a
fund.
trust.
You can set one up all by yourself. It's super easy to do online. And if you put your assets in an irrevocable trust, for example, then the trust owns those assets. So God forbid something happens, you get sued, you never think that's going to happen, but God forbid something happens or you go through bankruptcy, then all of those assets are protected. So you want to put things in the trust like life insurance or a house that you're never going to sell or cash that you're going to give on to your next generation. Economists have been asked how the Rockefellers have been able to build their empire, and they often say it's because of their savvy use of irrevocable trusts. You don't have to be a Rockefeller to open up one of these, but I'm going to say that 2024 is going to be the year of generational wealth.
Ooh,
right?
we like that.
Say
We'd
a
love
lot
to
of
hear
people
that.
in the back. All right, cool.
Well, you are a wellspring of financial advice, and we appreciate you always joining us,
Thank you.
Nicole. And be sure to check out Money Rehab wherever you get your podcasts.
I love saying, hey, Nicole.
Hey, Nicole.
Good to see you, and thanks for coming on
Great to see
again.
you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.